acomokeire hau na tene kwari kwega ati ndwatuma mundu uthu
aca ona magwikite uguo
iro matuma ho rita riu mundu arakomena ni kuria kumwera thimu aramenya aria uma
yes,
and that's how he delayed
in marriage.
He married very late because he married at the age of 46.
Yes
ikarago
that's too late.
Ahoreire akiwa ni too late na edikiwe. What's wrong with you? Yes, 46 is too late for a poor man. Yeah, we na indo rene ki mundu uyu we nawe we na kanyamu gaku na ina miaka 70 gakihikania muthuri no ciare ni
Megu ne gyo ya ata ito magikiti uguo
alafu ndo ratu ni too late atia 46 ukere mwanake we na kanyamu